Hey, plant people. What I want to talk about today is the variegated Monstera deliciosa. Now, it's a beautiful plant. I want it. I definitely want to get it. Um, but right now, the going price for it, if you can find it, if you go on eBay, it's about I would say starts off most bids at I'm looking at a variegated a cutting with no leaf for $45 and $15 shipping. Um, which I'm watching it, but I don't think I want to buy a cutting with no leaf. Oh, but there's a rare split leaf. That's a true variegated Monstera for $122.50. $15 shipping. And that seller is saying, what's the description? Item description. Alright, so up for auction is the beautiful white variegated Monstera rooted plant. What you see is what you get, and will ship bare root. We carefully package our plants for shipping due to big leaves. Some damage might occur. So there is a $122 plant and 50 cents on the market right now. And I'm trying to get it. And it's coming from Westminster, California. So I've seen a lot of them from Florida, and I think I've seen one from Wyoming. So maybe people are getting the plant and separating it, and then taking cuttings and reselling the plant for another $50 to $100. So they're probably just buying and buying and buying and taking cuttings and selling the cuttings. If the plant has a node or some type of root, you could probably cut it and then sell it. Because I divided my Monstera non-variegated, I divided it in 3 plants. So if I could sell that, that's a good profit. I could sell probably each plant. If it was variegated, I could probably sell each plant for starting bid, let's say $80. Let's put them on eBay for $80 a variegated cutting, because these they're flying out. They're jumping up to 122. And I've been watching this for about I would say a week, just watching. I've been bidding, but I'm not paying. I'm not in the position to pay. Because you know me, I like to buy cheap plants. Now this is way out of my taste. I don't want to, it's just the price tag. But the plant is beautiful. That's, I guess, the supply and demand. I'm hearing they come from Malaysia. But still, $122. What do you guys think? A lot of people are buying them. I haven't seen them in any stores. And like I said, I see them on eBay. I think, let me check. Amazon. Amazon says variegated Monstera. Variegated Monstera, split leaf supply of fruit. They don't even have it. Oh, yeah, they do. Oh, no. Variegated new arrivals, 50 pieces, rare mixed turtle leaf seeds. Seeds for $6.32. So you're getting seeds, 50 seeds of a Monstera, variegated Monstera deliciosa. And they don't even really sell it. They have a Cana staggered variegated gingerbread cover. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for variegated Monstera. Now I even seen on some plant websites some of these plants are going for, on the websites, I can't remember which it was, but on Facebook websites, these people are doing flash sales, I guess, for different occasions. And I seen a Monstera for $300, like a $300 plant, and I was like, wow, that's big money right there. That's big money. I mean, the plant was beautiful, but it was $300. It was a big size plant. I think it's pretty much worth it, because if you get a big plant, you divide it, you can just do the eBay thing and make a profit, which I may be doing. That's it, because you can sell each plant, get your money right back, and if you have enough cuttings, you can probably, any cutting you got, I guess you can cut the plant down and just make a big profit. But that's just my thoughts, and I'm just glad you guys are just staying and looking at the variegated Monstera Distiliosa. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you have any? Would you like to give me one? I mean, if you want to give me one, I appreciate it. I can definitely give you a big shout out on Gerard's Horticulture Culture. So if you want to do that, please get in contact with me. Just leave me a message down below, and we can talk about that, and I can definitely make sure it gets all its proper needs in my care. Everybody, thanks for watching.